For those of you that don't know how to economic in this Nigeria, this Moi Moi is 3,850 naira. I bought beans 1,000 naira. Then groundnut oil 1,050 naira. I bought half. I cannot finish it. Never now. As one Igbo. Yes, which other one? Uh, onion. Onion is 200 naira. I use only three. And the taste is okay. Perfect. Yes. Which other one? Yes, so this my pepper is 700 naira. Rodo 500. Shongbo 200. Everything 500 naira. 700 naira. Yes. Yes. Then my crayfish is 300 naira. 300 naira. So write it down. Oh, this my mind. You will see how tantalizing it will look. Then my Maggi, star Maggi, is 100 naira. Yes. What again? Then I have salt at home, so I don't need to buy salt. I have salt. I take part of the salt. Yes, so then this nylon is 100 naira. So this is me washing my Moi Moi. I use mortar. If you want to peel your Moi Moi, if you want your Moi Moi to peel faster, use mortar. Sharp. Everything will peel. You know, they waste time. Not the waste time. Yeah, this is our Moi Moi. We grind it with 400 naira. Yes, 400 naira. Yeah, this is me adding my crayfish. I add my crayfish. Yes. Then I added my Maggi. This is me adding my Maggi star. This is my salt. This salt is okay. Before I thought it would be much, but the taste was perfect. Then this is me adding my groundnut oil. Yes, this is me here tying my this. I use this cup to measure it. Yes, so as one Igbo, you will not measure it too much now. You will see our Moi was perfect. This color is okay for me. I know they cook red Moi. This color is okay for me. Yeah. Yes, so yeah, everything enter inside nylon perfectly. This is our Moi. Yes, see it boiling perfectly. Don't mind this darkness. NEPA, Nigeria night. Yeah, no cooking without selfie.
Our Moi
Yes,
is
so
ready.
this is our Moi is ready. Yes, I got 11 nylon. My Moi is ready. Yeah, this is me enjoying my Moi. Bye.